Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we pair Bluetooth headphone with our Poco phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth headphone guys you have. So I have got this Python company headphone guys, Bluetooth headphone guys. I want to pair with my phone. So how can I pair? Today I will show you guys in this video guys. So first of all guys, on your guys Bluetooth headphone guys I have on already. So guys turn on your Bluetooth headphone first of all and guys open your phone setting to pair it. So we will on our phone setting to pair this Bluetooth headphone. After on phone setting guys scroll it. As you can see from Bluetooth setting guys, tap here guys. You want to enable your Bluetooth setting guys, you want to disable, you can enable and disable from here. So we will enable first of all to pair our headphone. Then guys you can see your refresh option guys, tap on refresh. Then guys your Bluetooth setting will refresh. After refresh guys you can see guys your Bluetooth headphone device name. So we will click on our headphone device name. I have got this Proton company Bluetooth headphone. Then guys you can see this pair with Proton BT guys, you can see allow. So tap here this mean pair option, then it will pair in your phone guys. You can use while watching movies, listening song guys. You can use your Bluetooth headphone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth headphone with phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.